Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application and I'm going to open up the project I have just created. And for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If you want to remove something from our video guys, we can use mask trick. So you can duplicate your video first. I'm going to select my video and then select the duplicate menu. Wait, where is it? Okay, right here. And then I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to select switch. Okay. And make sure that the first video is aligned with the second video. Okay, and now it's time to add mask to the video. We're going to use mask to cover the text. I'm going to select mask and choose the shape of the mask. For me, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can take another part of the video so it can cover the text. And I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark, and then we can drag the mask to cover it. And to make it more natural, you can use filter or adjustment, or you can use the mask feather. I'm going to go to the mask again. Okay, and we can adjust the feather right here. Okay, and we can also adjust the filter or adjust the lightness guys. I'm going to go to the filter menu and I'm going to adjust the lightness. Let's try. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Okay, perfect. As you can see that the text has been completely removed from my video. But yeah, I should admit that this trick can't be applied to all types of video, right? Because when the video is not clear like this, it will be so difficult to remove the text unless the application has object remover feature or object eraser. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove text from InShot video editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.